All right, so I hope it's cool so far. Let me do something else for you. Another practical step what we can do if we want to convert more traffic into more buyers. Remember, all traffic is not our buyers. Traffic is just the buyers. We have to convert them to be our buyers. All right, so there is some simple steps what we can do. Let me show you some how we can go if we use this sign. All right, so later on we were gonna use another product, but let's say if we come across something like booster. This is the booster item. Okay, this is the booster to boost our account. Okay, cool. What we do? First of all, we check out what we got here. Can we use the same keywords? Closing optional parking sign. All right, so what we do? Very simple. We go open ebay.com, right? We go open ebay.com. We do what? We do booms, post sign here in. Okay, come on. Cool, nice. Here it is. 18 results. Not so bad, guys. This is really cool. This is really cool, and there is no competition at all. No, there is one. Well, but this is for 13. Okay, cool, nice. Is it sold for 13? Yeah, and it's sold once. Okay, but I'm not very happy about this closing optional metal novelty parking sign. Metal I can keep in mind if this is metal, but this looks to me more like description, not like title. I like more this one because this is our proven to be sold quite a lot. What I do, the same as I told you already, sell now, click here, or just copy and paste this one. All right, so if you go this one, sell now, okay, come on, then you will come here like, oh, closing optional parking sign, pool, spa, blah blah blah. All right, so nice. The question was, is it metal? Metal, yes, it is metal. Novelty, okay, cool, this is metal. I can use the word metal because you see I have 7 characters like here. Closing optional parking parking sign, pool, spa, hot tubes, parking sign, metal sign, metal, pool, spa, parking optional. I can. It's doesn't metal sign. I can put it here. Yeah, it's all right. I'm gonna use it there. Take this away. Metal sign, pool. I'm gonna do much better than they're doing. I will do spa, hot tube. All right, this is how we make nice titles. Appealing. No, that's what we have to do. Appealing. All right. Nude. Let it be whatever. Weird. Okay, cool, nice. Okay, closing optional, parking metal sign, pool, spa, hot tube for pool, parking metal sign for spa, for whatever it is, just the sign for whatever it is. All right, so this is cool. You see how we can do this so quick and easy if we just follow some kind of like idea. Our picture will gonna be, for somebody it's more appealing than only those the letters only. Okay, so it's optional, of course, and it's just a matter of taste and for the purpose you use this. Okay, so but just be creative a little bit creative, and you will convert the traffic to your account, all right, into the buyers, because your account is more appealing, your titles are more appealing. Don't do like this. Have you like this? You see, it's not appealing because first of all, this is do some work, at least correct looks the visually that would look a little bit kind of like uh, the titles with the same kind of like, you know, the capital letters that start with, and this is absolutely not the worst. The 99.8 is a good one here with the feedbacks. It looks okay. It's kind of like okay. This is not recommended at all, because those bodies they use, they are working against themselves with the time templates. If they would not be using templates, and if they would be using item specifics more wisely, there would be having more sales, even here, 3 or 5 times more sales. All right. So, but anyway, you got the point here. Make appealing and convert your traffic into more buyers by doing some very simple things, right? See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye for now.